Welcome back, viewers. As Neha Hiremat's horrific murder continues to haunt the nation, there is no respite from the politics over it either. The BJP staged a protest yesterday against the state government in Bengaluru. On the other hand, a team of the CID has reached Hubballi for the probe. Giving updates on the status of the investigation, Karnataka's Home Minister G. Parmeshwara said that the CID team has been asked to finish the investigation within 10 to 12 days. After the furor over the probe, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has said that a special court for crimes against women will be set up for a speedy trial.
ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಯನೂ ನಿಗದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ 12 ದಿವಸದೊಳಗಾಗಿ ಇದೆ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Speaking to Times Now, DK Shivkumar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, dismissed the BJP's charges on the Hubballi murder, saying that the BJP is trying to politicize the issue.
BJP has lost its base. They doesn't have anything to tell. They are just one incident has happened, some personal incident or whatever maybe has happened. We are there. The law will take its own course. They're just trying to create. Where is the law and order? Is the law and order not upright? I don't want to give a big statistics of the BJP now because your time is precious, my time is precious. Yeah. I have a number of evidences, number of issues which I can tell. That is why people of Karnataka threw them out of power.
Why do you think this appeasement charge keeps coming up time and again, sir?
They want to polarize this state. They doesn't want peace. See, this is a very peace-loving state. It is a state with prosperity. They want to disturb everyone.
And the anger, however, is only mounting against the murder of Neha Hiremat, as the BJP, along with several organizations, have demanded strict punishment for the accused. Take a look at this ground report filed by my colleague Neha Hebbale.
It's been about 6 days now since Neha Hiremat's murder. In Hubballi, protests on ground refusing to die down. You have the women's wing of the BJP right now staging a protest here, continuing to demand that the case be transferred to the CBI. Remember, we've been seeing a lot of politics playing out over this case as you've had leaders of the Congress and of the BJP coming forward, making statements left, right and centre, demanding justice for the victim. Now, of course, what we're seeing over here is a protest that's being led right now by the Women's Wing President. Of course, we'll keep you updated on the latest on ground and what's been happening in this case.